Question number 1. A nurse observes late deceleration in fetal heart rate. What is the likely cause? The correct option is C. Uroplacental insufficiency. Question number 2. Which position is recommended for a pregnant woman with cord prolapse? The correct option is B. Knee to chest. Question number 3. A nurse notes a postpartum mother has foul smelling, lucha, and fever. What is this indicative of? The correct option is C. Endometritis. Question number 4. A client is having a seizure that lasts more than 5 minutes. What is the nurse's best initial intervention? The correct option is B. Give diazepam IV. Question number 5. What is the most common early sign of hypoxia in a critically ill patient? The correct option is D. Confusion. Question number 6. A client is placed in Fowler's position after feeding. What is this rationally? The correct option is A. Avoid choking. Question number 7. A patient with potassium level of 2.8 milliequal per liter should be monitored for. The correct option is C. Muscle weakness. Question number 8. What is the minimum gap between two doses of DPT vaccine? The correct option is D. 4 weeks. Question number 9. The hormone responsible for calcium regulation and bone metabolism is. The correct option is A. Calcitonin. Question number 10. What is the best method to sterilize surgical instruments? The correct option is B. Autoclaving. Question number 11. A nurse hears a murmur during heart excretion. This sound indicates. The correct option is C. Turbulent blood flow. Question number 12. A patient with severe vomiting may develop which electrolyte imbalance? The correct option is C. Hypokalemia. Question number 13. A patient with Addison's disease may present with. The correct option is D. Hyperpigmentation. Question number 14. A nurse notes output of 100 ml in 12 hours. This condition is known as. The correct option is C. Oliguria. Question number 15. A cancer patient with low white blood cell count is at risk for. The correct option is A. Infection. Question number 16. The best physician for unconscious patient to prevent aspiration. The correct option is C. Side lying. Question number 17. A patient with a nasogastric tube, the nurse should check tube placement by. The correct option is B. pH testing. Question number 18. A 3-month-old baby has not received vaccines. What is the first vaccine to do now? The correct option is C. DPT-1. Question number 19. Empiric dosage calculation is usually based on. Correct option is A. Weight. Question number 20. The best position to reduce spine hypertension during pregnancy is. The correct option is B. Left lateral. Question number 21. A schizophrenic patient believes that TV is speaking directly to them. This is called. The correct option is D. The illusion of reference. Question number 22. A patient repeats everything that nurse says. This is known as. The correct option is C. Echolalie. Question number 23. In a burn patient, what is the most critical initial assessment? The correct option is B. Airway patency. Question number 24. Daily fluid requirement for an adult patient is approximately. The correct option is C. 2000 to 2500 milliliter. Question number 25. A client with heart failure on furosemide, the nurse must close monitor. The correct option is A. Potassium levels. Question number 26. What is the process of in situ spirometry after surgery? The correct option is A. Prevent atelectasis. Question number 27. What is the most accurate method to assess oxygenation? The correct option is B. Arterial blood gas. Question number 28. Best method to prevent hospital-acquired infection? The correct option is D. Hand hygiene. Question number 29. Which lab finding requires urgent action in a dialysis patient? The correct option is C. Potassium 6.5 milliequal per liter. Question number 30. Which electrolyte imbalance causes prolonged QT and tetany? The correct option is C. Hypocalcemia. Question number 31. What is the antidote for benzodiazepine overdose? The correct option is B. Flumazenil. Question number 32. The first permanent teeth to erupt are usually the. The correct option is B. First molars. Question number 33. What is a common complication of measles in children? The correct option is C. Pneumonia. Question number 34. Iron supplements in children should be given with. The correct option is D. Citrus juice or vitamin C. Question number 35. A nurse notes greenish amniotic fluid during labor. This indicates. The correct option is C. Fetal distress or meconium. Question number 36. Fundal height at 28 weeks of gestation is approximately. The correct option is B. 28 centimeter. Question number 37. Folic acid supplementation in pregnancy helps prevent. The correct option is C. Neural tube defects. Question number 38. The most serious complication of prolonged labor is. The correct option is B. Uterine rupture. Question number 39. A pyram midline uterus with continuous bleeding after delivery indicates. The correct option is A. Vaginal or cervical tears. Question number 40. Which fetal presentation is safest for vaginal delivery? The correct option is D. Cephalic or cortex. Question number 41. DOTS is a key strategy under which national health program? The correct option is B. Tuberculosis control. Question number 42. What is the incubation period of measles? The correct option is D. 10 to 14 days. Question number 43. Which medication is most commonly used for bipolar disorder? The correct option is B. Lithium carbonate. Question number 44. Which medication is used as antidote for morphine overdose? The correct option is B. Naloxone. Question number 45. A nurse must hold digoxin if the apical pulse is? The correct option is C. Below 60 beats per minute. Question number 46. Which class of drug is commonly used for treating hypertension? The correct option is A. Beta blockers. Question number 47. What is the peak time for regular insulin or short-acting insulin? The correct option is B. 2 to 4 hours. Question number 48. Which route of drug administration gives the fastest effect? The correct option is C. Intravenous. Question number 49. Which pulse is most commonly checked during CPR? The correct option is B. Carotid pulse. Question number 50. Which vitamin is essential for blood clotting? The correct option is B. Vitamin K.